Welcome to our tutorial on how to report profiles for violations on Twitter using your PC. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, open the profile you'd like to report. This can be done by navigating to the profile in question. Next, locate and select the overflow icon on the profile page. This icon typically appears as 3 vertical dots or lines. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose the option to report the profile. You will then be prompted to select the type of issue you'd like to report. If you believe the profile is being abusive or harmful, make sure to select this option. Twitter may ask you to provide additional information regarding the specific issue you're reporting. Reporting profiles for violations is crucial in maintaining a safe and respectful online community. By taking action against inappropriate behavior, you contribute to a positive social media environment for all users. Remember, it's important to use the reporting feature responsibly and only for genuine violations of Twitter's policies. Together, we can help create a safer online space for everyone. Thank you for watching our tutorial on reporting profiles for violations on Twitter. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks to enhance your social media experience.